Greetings everyone, this is Danny from hardtravel.com, your Norwegian cruise experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful Norwegian Encore. This particular category is a balcony. It's the most prevalent here on board. I'm going to take you through the space in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any room or suite with Norwegian, Regent, or Oceania, make sure you reach out to the experts at Hard Travel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way. Now let's tour the room. Now when you walk in the door, you're going to have your Do Not Disturb makeup room button so you can communicate with your cabin steward. Make sure you leave that key in the slot. That's going to activate all the electrical. You've got a couple coat hooks here to the side, and we're going to step into the bathroom. Now it's a pretty good sized bathroom for an entry-level room. You're going to find plenty of storage space here on the vanity, storage underneath and up above with the shelves. As I step into the shower, I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6". I actually do fit just fine in here. I can move around. I love that you've got a shower door instead of a shower curtain. You've got the adjustable shower wand there. They'll replenish all your amenities throughout your stay, and then you've got a nook for your own bath amenities. Your temperature controls just to the side here. You've got a floor-to-ceiling mirror to get ready, and then as we step in, you're going to find your bed. Now it's together in the large configuration right now. It can separate apart into two twins if that's your preference. Either way, you're going to have plenty of space underneath the bed to tuck your large bags away. You've got nightstands on either side, and a really nice touch is you have USB chargers built into the lights on either side, so you can charge your devices overnight. Now your storage is over here to the side. Open up this side first, so you're going to have hanging storage all the way across. And then as I step to the other side here, you're going to find that you have more hanging storage. It kind of extends over. You've got shelves up and down. And then you're also going to find a safe, perfect size for passport, wallet, or a small tablet. Now as we head further into the room, you're going to have a flat panel TV. It's angled at the bed right now. You can also angle it at the sofa. It's fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship in addition to watching television. Now your sofa's right here. It can convert into a bed depending on the configuration that you have. In some cases, you also have a Pullman style bed that will come down from the ceiling. Of course, your Hard Travel advisor can guide you to which rooms will hold 3 or 4, or you can see that right on our website using the interactive deck plans. Now directly across, you're going to find your vanity. You can sit and get ready here. You've got a large mirror, lights up above. You've got 3 US plugs, a European plug as well there. And then just underneath, you're going to find your mini fridge. I do like that they have the built-in hairdryer there. Once again, you can sit on the vanity to get ready before you head out and enjoy the incredible ship. Now keep in mind that we do have the full ship tour on our channel and all the other rooms and suites. Now this is a balcony. Let's go out and check it out now. Now we're out on your beautiful aft-facing private balcony. Personally, my favorite balconies are the aft ones like this. You've got these 2 comfy chairs, they recline, cocktail table in between. It's that perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening as you take advantage of the stunning, ever-changing ocean views. For me, there's something magical that makes my blood pressure go down, my smile get big when I'm in the aft of the ship, watching us sail away with the wake in the distance. When you're ready to make this your address at sea or book any room or suite with Norwegian, Regent, or Oceania, make sure you reach out to the experts at Hard Travel. We know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime at an incredible value.